All right, so I didn't exactly finish that phrase. So we were just here, out, right, left, around. And so this next part, there's a, you're or something, and you're going on the third word. So dance, something dance, breeze, butter. So basically, your arms are going out and you're kind of almost like a wave, but instead it's going back. Like you're trying to mimic the breeze basically. So, but during that, you're stepping back and you're leaning back. So again, this is just kind of a groove here, but you want to lean back. So it's right arm out, left foot back. So here. And then the next words are feel the wind in my hair. So once you're here, you're gonna keep this arm out, but you're gonna bring it in, but you're gonna bring it around. So separate movement or separate arms is, if you're here, you're gonna bring in, out, and you're gonna just push it out to your left. While that's happening, your right arm is going around your head and you're just touching your hair and you're pushing forward. So what that whole thing looks like is here, around, and then you're just gonna go down. I'll scoot back so you guys can see. Down, and then I don't care which way. So sorry. I don't care which way you guys go. You can go right, left, or left, right. Doesn't really matter. But basically, feel the awesome seas, I think is the word. So you're just going down, like you're making waves, kind of like how we did with breeze. And you're stepping whichever way you want. If you're going left, like if you're turning to the right first, you're stepping left, right. But if you're turning left first, you're stepping right, left. So that whole phrase is, I don't know the words, I'm sorry. Da 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 da, something, breeze, wind in my hair, feel the awesome seas. Awesome.